Congratulations. You are the second runner-up of Miss Rwanda 2022.
To be the second runner-up of Miss Rwanda 2022 is such an amazing opportunity, and I really feel really good. The Miss Rwanda 2022 finale was just amazing. It was, well, I would say a bit scary because we didn't know what to expect, who was going to be Miss Rwanda. So it was really scary, and you start thinking like, am I even gonna get like one crown? But it was really good. It was really good. The backstage experience was just scary, if I would put it that way, because everyone was just super frustrated, but at the same time everyone was happy for everyone. So yeah, it was good, but a little bit scary, but still good.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, though I'm not listening, though I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. Don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend. If you can go back, please enjoy your party, I'll be here.
Being really exposed, and just because of the talent that I actually showed, it was really amazing because I didn't think I was that good. But I was really shocked of the feedback of the people and all of that. So what I will do with that, I will actually try to like reach my goals, which is to like become a TV show hostess, a singer, and all of that. So yes, I'm gonna use definitely this platform to do so. Being called into the top, I really didn't expect that. And then they actually called my number first, and I was just super shocked. And then wow, it was just super overwhelming, but I'm really thankful. I will do many things using this platform and this crown of being the second runner-up of Miss Rwanda 2022. So the first thing I will do is to still encourage the youth. I will definitely expose them to like a world of opportunities, first of all. And second, I will definitely equip them with real-world experiences. And third, I will also inspire young women to show them that if I can, they can also do. So yes, I will definitely tell them to believe in themselves, to not limit themselves, and to just use their full capacity. And yeah, definitely.
Miss Rwanda 2022 second runner-up will be awarded with a full university scholarship offered by the University of Kigali, 2.4 million Rwandan cash prize from VOLCANO Express, 3-month free weekend getaway at La Palace Hotel Nyamata, and a fully dental service care courtesy of Diamond Smile Dental Clinic.